In a misty coastal town, scientists listen to seabirds whose flights hint at coming storms and shifting winds. By tracking albatross routes across the Pacific, researchers read ocean temperatures and currents that shape hurricane seasons. When these birds abandon feeding grounds, it signals dwindling fish and warming seas, a quiet warning about climate change. Their feathered maps carry data on wind shear, wave height, and fronts, translating meteorology into living messages. If we listen closely, these voices become a natural forecast, urging humanity to respect the planet and its fragility.